All right, we are here, Mcnutt House in Vicksburg. We're gonna get this started.
Woo!
Woo! Don't be scared.
We're ready to go.
Beth, our winner, and her friend, David. All right, we're gonna get this started. Here you go, David. I'm gonna get this going. If you don't want to get it started for us, I'm gonna get this going.
All right. While Bender's over there, he's messing around with the laptop to try to get, watch party and stuff and share it around. Hey guys, how you doing? What we're gonna do, we're just gonna do a regular ghost investigation, ghost hunt, just like you see on TV, and hopefully we get some good evidence today.
Something bit me.
Something bit him, yeah.
In his eyeballs. It's already started.
I was taking a nap.
We're ready to go.
And something bit my eye.
All right.
I'm being somewhat serious.
Somewhat. You're injured already.
Hey Beth, can you help me over here?
Yes.
All right, what we do, we got some, regular, we got some K2, and everybody's wondering what those little lights right here on the wall is. Basically, just a laser grid. What we're gonna do is see if any shadow figures get by and try to break the grid. We're about to hit the lights in a second as soon as we get everything set up. Hey Nancy, how you doing? How you doing?
You gotta go to that.
I'm so sorry.
Just bear with us. I was trying to get everything together.
Yeah, I'm doing a technical thing.
Tell them some of the history, David.
You're gonna put me on the spotlight, Bender did. I don't know.
What history?
Technical problem. Hold on.
Yeah,
We're
basically
getting there.
Alexander Graham Mcnutt is the one that owned the Mcnutt House. And you go to the Mcnutt House Facebook page, it'll tell a lot of history on the website on it. There's definitely a historic and active location here in Vicksburg, Mississippi.
I'm so scared.
This
But,
is the scariest part. Is the
The
technology.
scariest part is the technology.
The technology is scary.
This is the scariest thing.
What do we got over here, David? A little disco?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
This is
that's
the laser grid we're going to try to use. See if any spirits walk past it and try to block it out. You can see right now I put my hand in front of the shadow, sort of blocks it out too as well.
That's awesome.
So
Yeah, it's loading up. We're having some a couple of internet issues.
okay,
here.
that's cool.
But we'll get it going.
Hell yeah. Well, we're doing this right now. We can check on it.
Yeah, okay.
There you go.
Thank you, David.
All right, sir.
All right.
All right. You're live. Get us up and go in here. Allegedly. Okay.
All right, cool.
Just gonna take a minute because
It's
it's,
just take-
it's
yeah.
spinning and spinning.
We're all right.
so-
We're all right. We're broadcasting live. Mcnutt House in Vicksburg.
There we go. We got 20 on here. It's going up,
Good,
going
good.
up, going up.
All right.
Now,
Perfect. Hey y'all.
earlier we were down at the, well, you know what? I'm staying at a room down there where McGill, did you see the McGill?
Yeah. You're next to
tombstone
the
is
tombstone.
right across
Right.
from my room. So that's a little freaky.
That's gonna be a no from me. It's just a no. No. Not stay. There we go.
Oh, there we go. Your friend T's got
Right
it.
there.
All right, good. All right.
Turn the volume down on this.
Alright.
I'm rolling too.
Hey guys. Hey there.
We're going in just a second, guys. Bear with us. We'll
Hey,
start
Jill.
this.
Christine. Y'all hang tight. We're working on getting everything up and running so we can head out. Whole house to ourselves.
Don't be scared.
We are rolling.
Kitchen area.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. And you're sideways.
There,
Is that better?
there we go.
Is it going?
We're gonna fix it.
Flip
Hold
over.
on, y'all.
Flip over. Flip over. There you go. Is that it?
Wait, hold it still for a minute because now it's going to turn all the way upside down. This happened to me while I was excavating.
Yeah, something's weird. The ghosts.
They're already messing
Are we
up
good?
the technical
Is this
stuff.
good?
Looks like.
All right, good.
Yeah,
All right. So this is on my Chris Bender page. It's on the Y101 Showgram page also. All right. All right.
Whoa, that's sort of.
Uh-oh, see, now we're just out.
It's
Now,
loud.
hold on. Let it quit
It'll
moving
catch
before
up.
you
My
decide.
phone's acting weird.
Because now you're upside down. Hold on. I think you're going to want to...
Show me what to do.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Turn
you're
it
doing
right
good.
there.
You're doing good. Just hold it right there.
All right.
It's like.
You can do this. Oh, you're gonna be fine.
Yeah, this is the beginning. This is just the beginning.
Now see,
Hey,
everybody's going to
Rick,
start
how are
turning
you?
sideways.
Hey guys.
Should turn right in a minute.
I'll just hit the. It's lagging.
There we go.
It's just lagging, yeah.
Yeah, so we
Okay, keep it like
So
this.
keep it like this. Good. Okay, that's how I had it to begin with, and the ghost made it be weird.
The ghost will do that stuff.
Yeah.
too.
Okay.
They'll mess with you sometimes.
Yeah.
if everybody wants to, we can just like get comfortable, sit down.
Okay. We're gonna sit down.
On the floor? Okay. Hold on.
Oh.
It's all right.
We got it.
I'm gonna turn this AC off.
Perfect.
It's cold out here in Vicksburg. We
It
got
is
a
so
cool,
cold.
balmy 59 degrees, I think is what it feels like.
Does that help the lighter?
Oh, that's perfect. That's much better.
That's better.
We'll get a little light on the subject here. But I know when David was
Oh, be
here,
careful. I'm telling you, the floors are really treacherous. I've already just about lost it on the floor.
the second time David was here, he had a chandelier
there we
move
go.
on him.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Alright. Sort of put it over here. K2. They can see the lights.
Thanks, guys, for showing it. It's going off.
It's already
Everybody
going
here
off.
with us right now, make a sound for us.
It's already going off, David.
Is it really?
Yeah.
It's already
It's in the orange.
Nah, it ain't no more. Oh, you go.
How old are you? I'll tell you what, let's put it right here.
Due to poor connection.
Can you see that? Okay. Tell you what, I'll put it right here.
Now, why are our disco lights going off and on?
Yeah.
It's the vibration.
Okay.
Because it's a loose connection.
All right.
Give us a sign that you're here. Knock on something for us. Just like this.
I'm going to turn the volume down on my...
Open a door. Shut something. 'Cause right now we got, my name's David.
Jamie.
T.
Bender.
Beth?
We're just here to talk to you.
There's the door opening.
Oh, my Lord.
Holy cow.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my God.
Are you kidding me?
Wow, really?
It's already
Thank
started.
you.
Hey,
Thank
welcome.
you. Thank you for coming in.
What is
Wow.
going on? Are you kidding me already?
That was legit. That is for real.
That was legit. Right off the bat.
Thank you.
Okay, it's very cold right here.
Yeah.
Do you feel it?
I got
Yeah,
goosebumps,
yeah, yeah.
man.
Me too.
Me
All
too.
around.
Wow.
Scan the room, scan the room.
Thank you for doing that. Thank you.
That was amazing.
Yeah, I've got chill bumps everywhere, so. Y'all, that was legit.
That was
That was for real.
we can go to the casino now, man. We're done.
Yeah, that was,
That was
That
awesome.
was great. Thank you.
man.
Did you see that?
Last time I s-
Never in my
Oh,
life.
what was that?
that was the lights. That was just like,
Okay. You're
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
I can't even get mine.
That's not a. That's not even.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Wow.
I'm having to restart and reboot mine up.
did
to
y'all
be very
ask them
clear-
if they saw that on
Yes.
Did they see anything else beside the door?
Oh yeah. Did y'all see anything else besides the door opening up? Is what we want to know.
Dude,
That was
it's
crazy.
already. I mean,
Guys,
we just
that
started.
was really
We
cold.
just started.
I told you about
It
this
got
place
cold.
earlier.
It's colder in here than it is outside
I
now.
know, like T said,
the
as soon
air
as we
on?
walked
Yeah.
in there, it was just like cold.
Okay, it just.
So do we want to sit back down?
Yeah, absolutely. That is crazy.
That's nuts, dude. That thing was latched. too.
Here.
Yeah. That thing was latched.
I'm gonna go on the other side.
Yeah.
All right, look. Try to shut it.
All right.
Try to shut it without latching.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
Now shut it and latch it.
That was it. Yeah. There's no opening that door, dude. You latched that thing, dude. Wow.
Awesome.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
My phone wants to act
Wow.
stupid now.
It will not open.
It's really
Let's try
cold
to do
on
it
my
again.
arm right now.
All right.
Right here.
That's a good start.
Right here.
Sorry about getting real excited.
I got excited too.
It is
Really
cold.
cold.
That's
right
crazy.
here.
I'm sorry.
It
was
got
that
colder
Ghost
when that
Adventures just
happened,
now?
didn't it?
I know, right?
Can you do that again? Can you open that door again for us? Open that door wide open for us.
That was
You did
amazing.
Just a second ago. That was real. We're excited because that was
Yeah,
really
that was
cool to
really
see.
cool.
I haven't seen anything like that in a long time, man.
Could you please?
I'm glad you got video of that.
Oops,
That was amazing.
that was pretty cool.
Okay.
Amazing.
Calm down. Adrenaline rush.
I'm saying, wait, man.
That's
Yeah.
Where's my speaker? This will turn the echo box.
No,
Okay.
I'm
Oh, yeah,
missing
yeah.
my. Never mind. Where's my theater? Is
All
it?
right,
Let's
you
get my
want me to? You gonna parody? Want me to
I'm
parody
just gonna
the big one?
sit.
Let's do the big one.
again.
If that.
Come on, you're ready, Ginger.
Do know this. Do know this. This is unedited. The fancy ghost shows
Absolutely.
are all edited. This is unedited, so you're gonna see us raw tonight. Okay.
Live feed.
That was raw earlier. That was amazing. We
That
sat
was
here. You
pretty
had
good.
what is this called again, David?
I'm
Oh,
gonna
the
take this hat
KT
off.
The KP meter was going off, and then
Are you
that
gonna
door,
open it again?
boom, just opened up, latched. Amazing.
We're about to try to put
Can
the
I use
echo box on
whoever's
too.
charger this is for just a second?
Well, and I think it should also be
That's
said
what
that, David, when
Oh,
you
I
and
don't
I
think
hunt
that's it.
together, we always get a lot of activity. When Beth and I are together, we always get a lot of activity.
There. No.
So I think we have a good mix of energy in here.
Yeah.
All of
And
us are
then-
veterans at this.
Exactly. And Jamie, she picks up on stuff all the time.
Jamie's got
Yeah.
all kinds of crazy.
Yeah.
Gonna get
energy.
my
Yeah.
whistle out.
I've been on a few ghost hunts. I've seen
So-
ghosts. I'm a believer. So this is a good group.
Dude, I'm sweating.
Can you knock on
amazing.
something for us
Okay. All right. Sorry.
instead of the door? Can you knock?
He's all, what do you want me to do? I just opened the door.
Just
I know, I'm messing
You're
around.
just asking for too
I'm
much.
messing around.
Just do. I'm gonna do the big speakers.
Oh, the big one. Okay. I'll hit you. All right, we're about to
That
put
was
on the
pretty
echo
amazing.
box and maybe
That
we'll be
was
able to get some
amazing.
voices off the echo box.
Nice.
Echo box instead of doing the voice recorders where everybody can hear.
Perfect.
Everybody will be able to hear what's going on.
Usually I put my headphones
McNutt House in Vicksburg.
listen to it, because I can hear a
All right,
lot
Bluetooth is
better
on.
Hey guys.
stuck in my ear.
Bluetooth is on.
Okay, I gotta connect
Did
to
you hear something? in
Yeah.
there?
I did. It sounded like a dog to me.
It sounded like something knocking.
I thought it was knocking.
I thought I heard a. Hello?
I got a pair to it.
Are you knocking?
My phone's gonna act stupid.
Can you knock on the wall for
I heard
us?
something back there.
Yeah, I done restarted it.
Behind you.
Yeah. Well, we all three heard that, right?
Yeah, there was something
Yeah.
knocking.
Yeah.
Connected for me. Yep. Okay. So it's on.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, let's see if it's working.
Could you do something else loud for us? Like K2. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Lighten
It's
it up.
been sitting over there nothing.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, we're glad you're here.
I know.
Yeah.
Did you hear it?
I don't want to turn the echo on. It hurts my ears.
That's fine.
Can you tell us who you are?
Can you tell us who's here with us now? Can you give us a number of how many spirits are with us?
David McGill, are you here with us right now?
It's going slow. It usually spits. It usually spits out words faster than what it's doing.
Are you in here with us?
Whoa.
Yikes.
Repeat. It just said
I
repeat.
said, are you in here? Something's on. Are you in here with us? Can you say what my name is? Do we have any recordings going?
Just this, I think.
Like
Just a video.
mine is all frozen up.
Okay. We're not here to cause nothing for you. We just want to talk with you.
Yeah.
We're not here to harm you or in any way.
your digital or
Voice recording.
Can you give us a name?
EVPs?
That sounds like a little girl.
Give me a name.
Phone going off.
Yeah, sorry, it's on silent.
Did you say stop?
Yeah.
Did it say stop laughing?
Say stop.
Probably stop laughing.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're not laughing at you.
We're just here to talk to you
Yep.
and be friends. Hear some of your stories, please. I really appreciate. We all really appreciate you
Absolutely. Yeah.
opening that door earlier.
That was pretty cool.
That was.
That was one heck of a way to start off.
Yes.
Really
Yes.
incredible.
That got deep. That one got deep.
Are you a male or a female?
I don't understand why she's getting out slow.
Yes. I don't know.
Can you go over there and touch that black box right there?
Hey, look.
It's going
Make
off.
it go. Keep going. Touch it some more. It'll go all the way up to orange. Can you make that go to orange? Just put your hand in front of it.
It's starting to
Could
speed
you
up.
please?
It's starting to speed up.
Can you make that right there turn colors? Just put your hand in front of it. It'll change colors.
You hear that? It means something's trying to
No?
come through.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try what I did last time too. I know you remember this. Hey, on the count of 3. Never mind.
Or four.
It said 4.
Four.
And then
Wow.
He said 4.
it lit up to the 4th light, didn't it?
He
Wow.
said 3.
That
I
was
said
awesome.
Okay. Let's do this again. Thank you. On the count of 3, light that up. 1, 2, 3. Light it up, please.
There it went.
It went off.
It went off.
Nice.
Good
Oh,
job.
this
Thank
one
you.
this one's pinging.
Good job, y'all.
Be careful with that one because of the phones.
Mine is going off.
Is it?
Be careful with that because of the cell phones. So,
Oh, because
that's
it
why I had that one
was.
way
But
over
see-
there.
Here, let me move it. I'm gonna put this up here, okay? If you get near it, it'll light up. Can you light it up for me?
Hey,
Oh,
this,
look,
look,
look.
There it
it's
goes.
still going
Yeah, good
off.
job. Thank
Without
you.
cell phones around,
Is
this
that-
one is still going off.
Tell me
Hey,
what
look,
your name
if you want
is.
to come right here and just sit on this, then we'll know that you're here.
Are you a male or
What
a
did you say?
female?
I said, huh?
What did that say? I thought it said your name.
Don't get quiet on us.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it sounded like it said yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
it did.
ma'am.
That's the first thing I've understood.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to talk about? Would you rather talk to a male or a female?
Who?
Her. Can you? Let's see. He wants-
Beth.
Did it say your name?
Yeah, it said her, Beth.
Really?
Roll with it.
What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Do you know that I can hear you? Yes.
That was
Yes.
a loud yes.
Yes.
Y'all agree
Why are
with
you
that?
here?
Yes.
Why are you here?
We've had.
Why are you here?
Before.
Let go. Let go. Let go.
Tell it can go.
You can go.
It can let go.
You can go.
You can go be at peace. You don't have to stay here. Yeah.
Thank you. Tell me what my name is. Say my name real loud.
Did it just say?
Huh?
It may have just said her husband's name.
Yes. Let me ask you this. Why are you here? Why?
Are you bound here?
Whoa! Did y'all hear
I
that?
heard that in the kitchen. It was coming from in there. We're gonna move towards you, okay? It's okay.
You got some light.
Can we come in the kitchen where you're at?
We're coming in there with yes. It said yes. We're coming in there with you, okay? Good. Okay, good. Good. All right, here we come. Moving through the house. Wait, get up there.
Did we leave that
Oh,
door?
thank you.
This door was closed.
David. Did
This
we
door
leave?
was closed, wasn't it?
I left the one downstairs open.
I think this one was closed.
What was that?
Just got someone else come in there.
Thank you so much
That was
for
cool.
being here. Thank you.
Hey, you guys, remember we got the whole house to ourselves.
Yeah.
The whole house to ourselves.
Are you in here? Huh?
Somebody like opening doors, huh?
Yeah, it looks like it, man. That was closed. Beth, I'm scared.
I'll protect you. It's
Okay,
okay.
thank
You're all
you.
right.
Thank you.
We're gonna make it through this.
I know. Look at this thing's going off.
Yeah. Big time.
Look at this thing.
Wow.
Did you move? Did you move something in the kitchen?
Sorry.
Sorry. It's
That's
okay.
Ask them. See, ask them
It's
if they.
going off. Just
Okay.
Can you open that door right there again for us, like you did? Yes. Would you please open that door right there?
No.
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 No. Why?
That was loud, dude.
You
Please.
did it. Man.
That might be the phone setting it off now because it stays steady.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's back off the book.
David. He called your name.
You just said my name.
David.
Is it going to be me, David Childers, or is it going to be David Weeks McGill? If it's David McGill, could you say
He was saying. They keep trying to say.
Did you just say house? I couldn't understand.
We're starting to slow back down.
Yeah.
Say house.
Yeah.
David, what?
You're so talkative tonight.
Nice.
That's great.
Yeah, I see it. Ain't
That-
nobody over there.
Can you please open that door one time? One more time. And we won't ask you to do it again. What if I back up? Does that help?
Hey, what do you want us to do for you? We keep asking you for things. What do you want?
Out?
That's what it said.
You want us to go out? I heard something out loud. Did you hear that?
Did y'all just hear that? It's like a small, like
I heard it audibly, yes. I heard that.
a
Okay.
small little ground.
Where?
Like,
I heard it right here, but could that have been outside?
Yep. There's your answer.
motorcycle
I gotta
Yep.
watch it.
debunked.
Debunked right there. Motorcycle.
Debunked and it went off.
This damn going off.
Must have just started it up.
What if you knock on something in the kitchen? Can you do that?
Cool.
Cool. Like now?
Hey, Beth.
Hey.
It's acting like it's over here where we are. It's not over there anymore. It's here.
Because it might stop the activity.
If I knock on here, can you do that? Yeah? Would you do that, please? No.
Would you like us to move to
I thought it said
another
what,
part?
Beth, or why, Beth, yeah.
Yeah.
So that we'll know that you're here.
Alright, let's calm down and wait like 10 seconds
Okay.
and go from there. Maybe we can get.
See if they want us to
Steve.
move
We're
to
gonna have to
another
settle
room.
down a little.
Yeah. Ask
Settle-
that
yes.
question you asked about.
Yeah.
What did they want us to do? Oh, that was real good. Let me go over here and sit down. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm still excited about that door.
I know, man. That was crazy.
I mean,
That was
Yeah.
pretty amazing.
Right off the bat.
I'm gonna move over here.
Okay. Well, so a minute ago I asked you, and this time we're going to listen for your answer. We want to know what you want from us because we keep asking you for things, but we want you to tell us what you want.
Would you like us to move to a different room? I heard porching out. That's what I heard.
Alright, well, we're going about one more minute. We're going to hang out up here, and then we're going to go downstairs. You can follow us down there, but remember, you cannot follow any of us home, okay? You have to stay here on the property, but would love for you. Whoa, that was weird.
What did it say?
I don't know what it said, but I don't know, that was weird. The way it...
Yeah.
When it comes through
Different.
like that, it sounds like breakthrough.
Did it just say bad blood?
It sounded like it.
Bad
Too
something.
silly. It sounded like bad blood. I'm just saying.
Dave, go.
Just said Dave. Maybe it's picking up what I'm thinking. Mcnutt and a business partner. A deal went south. And
Bad
for
blood, that's
some
right.
odd reason,
That's right.
just said, for some odd reason, Mcnutt ended up dying right after that.
Bad blood.
Bad blood. Was that in the kitchen again?
Yeah, I heard
Bring
something
that over
like
here?
sing.
Yeah, it was weird. Okay. Yeah, ladies, y'all go ahead and ask, because I obviously like females.
Mr. Mcnutt, are you here with us?
I heard something there.
Again.
So you know David's name and you know Beth's name. Do you know any of the rest of us?
Who's that? No, who's that? What's her name? I don't hear it like we were.
I'm not even getting the scent of
Yeah, I don't
it
even-
anymore.
Uh-uh.
Y'all feel the
sun
same?
got light.
Yeah.
The sun got real light in here.
So, and I just said that's probably about a minute time. I said we were gonna leave, so maybe when it
Yeah.
Where do you want
You
us to
probably
go next?
coincidence, but
Maybe so. Yeah.
You want us to go downstairs?
That was I.
Yeah. Be alright.
well, we're
All
gonna,
right. Be alright.
Okay, we're gonna move.
I'm gonna leave this recorder up here as a stationary.
Yes,
Awesome.
I hear you.
And
David, for folks who don't know, what is this exactly?
well, basically, this is just a regular Bluetooth monster speaker.
Okay.
I got a Sam's Club, which
Yeah.
is pretty good.
Sure.
Actually, no, not me. My father did. I gotta give him a shout out. This is his tool.
I thought
But
It's like a spirit box,
We're
right?
using, it's an Echo Box.
Yeah.
We're using the Echo Box
Okay.
Classic.
Gotcha.
It's an app you can get on for Android, and you can get it on iPhone.
But be careful when you use it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got to have certain settings and all that. And a lot of these apps, you got to don't waste your money on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Echo Box is one of the best ones I've seen, out there, and it actually brought some cool stuff. You don't get the ghost app and all that stuff because
Gotcha.
everything's programmed in. But this one right here actually works great.
Good. Good.
My son Jackson, hey Jackson, he's watching and he said he saw something. So I'm trying to ask
Really?
him, where did you see it? Where did you see
With the K2
something?
music going on.
Did you see it over there, Jack? Just let me know where you saw it and whatever it was that you saw, okay? And we'll go look.
There's probably a good lag on it too. It might take a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's red.
That
Is that
right there.
because of us?
That's gonna be that's gonna be us right there.
Y'all
Too
wanna
close
move
to it.
down
Yeah,
there
that's
then?
what it is.
What's up with the-
Let's go downstairs.
Yeah, I just don't feel it at all up here anymore.
No.
We're gonna move, okay? You come with us.
I'm gonna put this in here with the doors closed.
All right.
Because this is where we got, I think the door opened up. So
You want to leave it closed?
yeah, we're gonna close it, and maybe we'll get it in here or something.
Got it.
And it'll be less contamination because we'll be down there asking questions.
All right. You're bringing this with you?
I'll leave this up here.
All right.
Down here, let's do just a quiet, normal EVP session.
Mcnutt House, Vicksburg, Mississippi.
I have to leave.
Live ghost hunt.
Stay right there. You know where they go down?
We've already seen a door open up on its own.
Yeah, watch your step.
Getting some from the spirit box. They're actually talking to us. They know Beth, our showgram winner. They know David, obviously.
My phone was staying acting stupid.
Yeah.
Mine is not.
I'm gonna give a free Ichiban buffet to whoever says Bender first on that spirit box. I just want to hear. It'd be neat if they said. It'd be neat if they said my name. I think it'd be neat.
It's up there.
No, I would love for it to say that. Then we know that we know that we know.
That's
Don't
right.
worry.
That's
Hey,
right.
show them the room, Bender. Let them see what we're looking at.
All right.
You want to light
This
it
is
up?
Mcnutt right here.
All right.
Well, I got my phone on too, so it's
This
gonna be
is,
before I turn the thing
Governor
on.
McNutt.
Yep.
Yep.
Alexander Graham McNutt.
Nice. Did he invent the light bulb or?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was pretty bright too, see? Yeah.
Hey, Mariah.
What wrong one, David? There you go.
There. Look at that. Yep.
And
That's Governor McNutt.
and he owned this house, and he also had a tie to the Belmont Plantation in Greenville. He owned that too.
See, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it was just
Yeah.
amazing. I don't know
Hey, Mike.
how it happened, but yeah,
And who do we got over here?
it was weird. Two favorite locations. They were both owned by him.
Oh wow.
I have no idea. I don't know who that is.
You go walk around in his house.
Here's some silverware.
Yeah.
Nice house. It really is.
Think about who may have used that silverware, you know?
Yeah, I
Are they
know.
still here?
I know. It's amazing.
No, I'm in Mississippi.
That's nice. That's a cool 10 grand right there, probably. That's a nice looking piece.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh, and T, what? Oh, you can talk about down here.
Yeah.
Sit here.
Light on for this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. There's a lot of history here, man.
Yes, and there's no telling these objects. There's no telling what could be attached to them.
Yeah, I mean, they say that, man.
Wow.
That certain objects can be,
look
I
at
guess,
This
haunted
is the
as
kind
well.
of thing right here that something would attach to also.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody's
Personal,
prize.
something personal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
possession. Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. What do we got down here? Looks like some kind of.
It's something for maybe maps.
Yep. Like a compass looking thing.
Mm-hmm. See all the mini balls. over
Swisher Sweets.
And I believe the McFerrins, they call this the smoking room now. That's what the
Yeah.
Men back in the day and would have their certain area where they could sit back and be men, and the ladies would have their certain area, and the ladies wouldn't be
Mm-hmm.
just old school. See, what do you think, Jamie?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Pender?
Yep.
What about you?
What are we doing?
You're including him too, right?
What are we
I
doing?
didn't include you.
Oh,
into
yeah,
it.
it's all right.
No, we can sit back, chill. We'll do a quiet EVP session.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, guys. Hold on. Let me get situated here. We'll sit down.
We're at the McNutt House in Vicksburg, and we've already had a door open up. Communicated through the spirit
see if
box
I can get
upstairs. Now we're downstairs.
How do I get
Well, we're down here right now. We moved to another part of the house, as you see, of course. Could you communicate with us down here? Maybe this is one of your favorite places. Knock on something for us, just like this. Hello? Huh?
Are you recording? Oh, you are recording, aren't you?
Oh, well, it's recording up there. We got the recording on the live feed.
I swear there's something touching my leg.
What's that?
I swear there's something touching
Where?
my leg.
Which one?
Really?
The bottom, the one on the floor.
That's not the first time that's happened
It's
in that
right
chair.
Wow, that's funny.
That's
It's
happened
really
before in that
warm.
chair.
That
Are you
happens.
touching my leg?
That's the, I can't do it because the phone's setting it off.
You want me to? Your ankle.
Wow.
It's really warm.
And it's steadily going off. There's nothing around
How
it.
many of you are in here? How many people are in this room, including us?
See, and I'm gonna hurry if I even back up it. So cool.
If you can count all of us in here, light this toy, this tool up. Yellow if you for yes, red for no. Now look, it's just
What's your?
look, it's
Mhm.
trying,
Keep going.
it's trying.
Mm-hmm.
You can count all of us in here?
Might not have
Mine's
look,
saying
it's doing it
yes.
again. Might not have enough energy to
Mine's
boost
saying
it up.
How many of you are in here with us?
If it's more than 4, light it up to red.
I wouldn't trust that one falling so close.
Mm-hmm.
Still lighting up to 3.
Hmm.
Can you light the one up that he's holding?
That was weird. Yeah, that's not paired on.
Hmm.
It's fine.
Whose is it? It ain't mine.
It's like you got.
You got all 3 of us.
Yeah, I know right there. So
It's
it's
like in
it's
the
a big-
vortex.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What?
That's right.
The phone.
The phone vortex.
Yeah. Is anybody recording?
We just the live feed is.
Okay.
I got that
I'm gonna
stationary
use
recorder
my-
still going.
Alright,
on there.
people, if y'all
Maybe.
see anything, y'all let us know, or if y'all hear anything, let us know, because y'all might hear or see something we don't.
Hey Beth, didn't we used to do a thing where we would go,
Yep, shaving a haircut.
So you can answer us if you want.
My phone's dying again. It's not.
Yeah.
Draining it.
Yeah, it's just not gonna stay.
Come on, just like this. That's Jamie whispering.
be recording. Yeah. No?
Whatever. What was that?
What was it? You see something?
Over there, I don't know. Well, I know a car went by. Okay, there's.
That was earlier.
All right, hold on, don't move. Hold on. Car light. No, that's not car light. That's out
Car
there.
light went by earlier.
Right over here. It looked like a small light anomaly.
Yeah.
Right here, it just flashed real quick and went. That's what. That's what I wouldn't say it's paranormal. It's just. It was weird. I looked straight over here and I saw it. You have this right here.
Mhm.
A light could reflect off of this right here, this glass.
Yeah.
Which they can't see. Let me get the red light. Alright. Sorry guys. I know I got pulled over. Alright, right here
Yeah.
is where I saw it. Now a car could have went by and it could have reflected off this and it made it look like it was over here. But I mean it was just a like real quick flash pop. Like
Wow. Yeah.
somebody,
I mean,
took a picture.
Yeah.
It was just right here.
In the bedroom.
I'm not saying it's paranormal, but I thought it was pretty interesting.
I've seen that before, man, in a closet. I had a brother-in-law that passed away.
Mm-hmm.
The day after, we saw like a light in our closet. I
Light
think I know what
anomaly?
you're talking about.
Yeah.
Something like that, like a light in the closet, and we couldn't explain it.
Uh-huh.
It's
It was like
crazy.
a burst of energy.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
they're saying go to the bedroom. So
Okay.
we're gonna go to the bedroom.
Okay.
Drawing there.
All right, let's do this. Yeah,
Sweet.
I like ghosts. I love ghosts in the bedroom.
Okay. Y'all have to
It's not
excuse
funny.
Bender.
It's not funny. What's it called? A succubus?
Oh yeah, succubus
Yeah.
and incubus, yeah.
That's right.
I have goosebumps all over my body.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
good.
like really, like, right here is like,
It is super cold.
It is, man. It's crazy. Oh, that's a.
I mean,
that
that'll
scared
get
the
you
crap
on it.
out of me
Yeah.
right there.
Right.
That's not okay.
I didn't know what that was.
there's light on back here.
All right, we are in the bedroom. I'm gonna lay this on the bed. Okay, if you get near it, that should light up red.
I don't know y'all should
Yeah.
come back over here.
Can you get close to that box that I just put on the bed and light it up for us? You should be able to turn it red.
Okay, so that's a no.
Yeah. Maggie?
Weird. I was just thinking of her.
Ooh.
That's what I was just thinking of.
Oh,
is,
yeah.
is that it's Maggie. That's what I feel like she's.
Maggie?
You can come in.
You can come in and talk to us.
That's me.
I hear voices.
Hey Maggie, if you want to come in here, Chris that was messing with you earlier is in here. You should come in and kick him in the shin.
Can you just push it? Make it move? We just want to know you're there.
Whoa.
Did you hear that?
Everything just went.
Yep. Yeah, I heard it too.
Well, and I can't tell if it's
David's shadow, but it looked like the door moved just the tiniest bit.
Try it again. We know you like to slam doors and cabinets. Can you push that door right there for us?
Maybe that's what that noise I heard was. Is that iron is in the way. Maybe it moved a little bit.
Oh yeah.
What if you push it backwards towards the wall? Could have been they did that upstairs too.
I'm sure they're also kind of like, look, we already did the door thing.
Yeah.
You know,
That's right.
How
We
many
got it
things
done
do you-
early so y'all can get on out of
Do you
here.
want us to do?
That's exactly probably what happened.
It's like, yeah.
Now get out.
This,
Yeah.
this is like a chase, come find me.
We know what they look for. Let's go ahead and get it out of the way.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll leave us alone.
Let's open the door.
They want us to come
Hey,
chase
light
and
up the
find
machines
them.
if you like messing with people like us who come in here wanting to talk to you. That makes me think they're not here.
We can do that way up there. Is that? Where's that go?
Oh, that's the outside. That's the side door.
Okay, I just
That's the
wondered.
peephole.
I knew it was people. I didn't know.
This room. Tell you what,
Yeah.
we ought to do.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I don't want to lose that live feed, but I want to save that phone, the door. Because if we
Right.
stop the live feed and you save it, it ought to be on there.
Want me to go ahead and stop it?
Yeah.
Wanna
Hey
come
guys, we're gonna have
See
to
him?
stop
I'm gonna light you up there.
the live feed.